The big storm cell that we've been kind of watching is finally rolling in. I am now going to venture towards the storm while Paul heads home, but this isn't the last time I'm going to see you on this cross-country drive.
Nope.
It's going to be great.
Yeah, dude, what, another week and a half or something?
Yeah, it's going to be fun. This snow is really starting to pick up. It is looking fun. So as I continue to get closer and closer to Sedona, the snow is quickly turning to rain. These views are amazing. I am super glad that this storm decided to wait until I got to enjoy the views before hitting us. Very happy to be getting out of here safely so I can go pick up Chelsea. You might be wondering why we're wearing this attire. We have a wedding today at a Ren Fair.
Let us give a special welcome, a hearty huzzah, to our newlyweds.
We are finally heading out of Arizona, picking up my nephew. We're taking him to Disneyland. He has no idea. Okay, so a little bit of a late start this morning. We ended up getting trapped between some cars from the valet, which really sucked because we were parked in the handicap spot for Chelsea's mom. After some waiting, we finally got them to move it, and we are on our way. So close to PCH. Oh my God, let me tell you, it is hard to love California with this traffic. On our drive up, we decided to stop at Solvang, which is like this cute little Dutch town just in central California. Just a quick little stop. It's a little tourist trap. It's fun. Look at that little window. Back on the road again. This is such a beautiful drive. California got slammed with a bunch of rain, so like everything is blooming and gorgeous. We've seen poppies across the road. We have beautiful green rolling hills. This is just the most scenic and iconic drive we can do on this trip. And it's perfect. Ooh, this is just gorgeous. We got beautiful ocean right here. And then we got beautiful lush green forest over here.
Yes, I know we're not the same. I'm so tired of playing games. You don't have to be so hard.
So we officially have made it to camp. Paul's already set up back over here. But oh my goodness, that ocean.
Hiding a million different things. Waiting for the nighttime to see what it brings.
Paul,
What's up?
how you doing?
I'm doing great.
What do you think of this spot?
Pretty amazing. I had very low expectations because all the campsites coming down were on the right side, so like away from the ocean. And then when GPS was like, make a left into fucking wherever we are, it was pretty great. I haven't really felt inspired to shoot much lately, like any photos at all. I feel very inspired right now.
Oh.
It's a really good feeling that I miss. You don't realize, what's that corny saying? You don't realize what you have until it's gone or something?
How is it?
What? The view? It's okay. I like the view this way better.
Nothing gets better than this, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we managed to pack down camp. We are taking a quick stop. We're gonna get some coffee and relax and look out over at the ocean and have a relaxing start to our day before we go on a tour of Hearst Castle. So that's gonna be fun. You excited?
So excited. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this place is.
Paul, would you pay $1,000 to swim in this pool?
Well, you also have to do the $500 buy-in to be asked to come here, so $1,500. No.
Chelsea, what do you think? Master home. Yeah? Too small?
A little small.
We just finished the tour of Hearst Castle's grand rooms. Oh my God, that was worth it.
I need to make more money.
Yeah, we need to make more money because for $1,500 per person, we can spend 2 hours at a private party. So there's gonna be a GoFundMe at the bottom. We need what? 4 tickets? 4 tickets, okay?
Korean.
Just $6,000 for a 2-hour swim. But oh my God, this place is beautiful. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. Okay, so we just got to camp for today. Chelsea is kind of setting up the beds. I've been told I need to shower, so I'm going to shower and change because this is one of the few campgrounds on this stay that has a shower. And I am just camping from here on out. No more motels, no more hotels, so this might be my last shower for a minute. So I have to use these tokens to take a shower. Really hoping the water's warm. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my God, get hot. Get hot. 2 minutes in the water, still not warm. Water's finally getting warm. We're getting ready to have dinner. Sun's setting, it's beautiful. We're gonna sit by the fire and chillax. Spend the last day together. Last day together.
Long nights, long drives, nothing here but moonlight.
Just woke up on the last day camping with a group, and it is the most majestic sunrise. I think everybody slept well, getting ready to pack up, say our goodbyes. But man, this has been a great part of the journey. But now on to the next chapter. adventures in solitude and seeing some very new places. Okay, so we packed down camp, said goodbye to Paul and Linda. Really sad, but got to spend some great quality time with friends camping, and that was awesome.
Yeah.
And this is me and Chelsea's last day together, so we are currently trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna go get coffee and some breakfast. This sun is just like right behind my head. That is bright. It's just a casual morning. We need food and caffeine. Man, this is pretty.
Please don't let me go. I've said too much. Please don't let me go. I've said too much.
Okay, so right now, me and Chelsea are just kind of hanging around LAX before her flight. Chelsea's in the back there rearranging her bags. Everything okay?
No. It's too windy.
Yeah, the wind really started picking up. I get to continue on my adventures, but I have to now do it solo,
I'm
so
holding onto this door for dear life. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna miss you. Oh, it's
I'm gonna
okay.
miss you too.
I'm gonna miss you too. Let me help her because the wind is absolutely nuts right now. I'll see you soon.
See you soon. See you in 2 weeks. Drive safe.